Okay, so I started recording. Okay, so the topic today is a service desk, guys. So already I shared service desk PPT to your WhatsApp, so you can go through it. Already some people already came. So here it is. Directly I can tell a points about service desk. Just I want to tell a few points first of all. Not directly what is service desk. I'm not telling. I will tell when a small story. Here it is. Paintbrush drawing is very easy and it is very colorful. Guys, IT organizations. So first of all, I am telling about a IT business or a IT organization. I want to tell other story also. Okay, but I'm not telling some one story is there. That's very simple. What is IT business? And IT business is done by an IT organization. What is this IT organization? What is this IT business? Will provide a different type of IT services. IT services. For example, you go to 70s website. So you will find a 70s services. So you go to the 70s website. So what are the 70s services? What services there are providing? SAP consultant, okay, and cloud related managements are there. SAP related outsourcing is there. Staffing solutions. Like every organization, every IT organization is providing a kind of a service, a different type of services are there. Maybe it is related to a application development, testing, deployment. This is application application developers development IT services. Okay, so I just remove this point. Okay, application development related, maybe operating system. It is also belongs to the software side, right? It is a software side, means application development, operating system development. Okay, or maybe hardware management, hardware like a CPU manufacturer, RAM manufacturer, or a motherboard manufacturer, or a server motherboard manufacturers. This all comes under IT only. Okay. Infrastructure management. What is this infrastructure management? What is meant by infrastructures? You have a servers, storage devices like a hard disk, SAN, NAS kind of stuff is there. Okay. You have a networking components like a routers, switches, routers. You have a switches, cables. Okay, fiber optical cables kind of stuff is there. Okay, so like that, so many kind of components in your infrastructure. You have to maintain a servers, storage devices, routers, switches, firewalls. So many kind of infrastructure related components are there. Okay, application development, operating system development, and hardware related development are providers. Provider means deployers also available. Internet service provider also comes under IT. services, internet service provider, cloud service provider. Okay, cloud, different type of cloud services are there now. Private cloud, public cloud is an organizations provide a infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or a software as a service. Different cloud service providers. Okay, data center management people are there. Okay. Support. Certain organization will provide an IT support, only IT support related organizations are there. Okay. So different type of services from different IT organizations. Who need this? IT organizations. IT organizations provide a IT services to whom? IT organizations and non-IT organizations also. What is the service? Again, simple to understand. Now I will try to tell story. So try to understand, guys. Um, for example, I want to order a food. So, okay, I want to order a food. How to order a food? I go to mobile, right? I open an app, Swiggy or Zomato, right? And I place an order. I pay the amount. This order will go to the particular hotel, right? So they will get ready with the order. Meanwhile, so they will get a information. So what I order, they will get directly. So this is the person is ordered this food. So they will try to get ready the food. Meanwhile, the delivery person will come to this place and pick up the delivery, come to my place and give the delivery. This is what happens, right? This is what happens. Now, how many things are involved in this one? Hotel is not a IT company. Hotel is not a IT company, right? It is non-IT organizations. But how they are getting a, how they can able to see what order I given, how they can able to see. So from their laptops or desktops, or maybe there is a mobile phone or a tablet, right? Something should be there, right? Something should be so. How they are getting a laptop or a mobile phone or maybe a, a computer from Microsoft, Intel processors, laptops, right? Internet connectivity is required, which is internet connectivity is provided by Internet Service Provider, ISP, Internet Service Provider providing internet services. Okay, or maybe data related
Sir, your
for
voice
Sir,
is
your voice is
breaking.
breaking.
data services.
Again,
Again, your voice is
My
break.
voice is breaking.
So your voice is very frequently.
Gupta also came. Someone newly added. Vaibhav Pratap Chand. Again, someone is added again. Guys, can you able to see my screen? Voice is clear?
Sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Good. So means an IT service, and he has a computer and he has a internet or a maybe application he is using to get the service, and we'll pass on the get once, and the cooking that again that part is there. So once he received it, so we will follow the what are the orders are placed, and once it is done, we will take a printout of the bill and a package and hand over to delivery guy. And how this delivery guy knows, how this delivery guy knows who is ordered and from where it has to be pick up, from where it has to be pick up. So how it will know? He has a mobile phone. In mobile phone, he has pickup related application is there. And who developed this application? Again, certain IT service company only. Okay, some software developer or a application developer is running, and the mobile phone internet again IT related. Now this is we are getting a delivery now. So once it is delivered and we got a message from this Swiggy or Zomato delivered successful, tracking informations, delivery information, feedback information we are getting from the your Zomato or a thing. So how we are getting? There is a server. There is a server. Either it is a Swiggy related server. For example, I put a Swiggy because spelling is little easy. Okay. So there is a server inside a Swiggy related applications means that web applications are installed. When you place an order, when you open a Swiggy, actually it will connect it to the server, check your username, okay, and what kind of user you are there, and what is the your order, okay, based on your location, it will suggestions pages are there now. So based on your location, your nearest restaurants list, so you will place the order will be confirmed. Once you pay amount, okay, the payment will be there, right? So the payment will go to the bank. Okay, bank will tell you payment is successful. Once it is successful, then order will be finalized and placed confirmation. This information will go to this delivery agent, and also it will send to the hotel. And the hotel person is prepared a food and give it to the delivery agent. Delivery agent will deliver. How it is happen? Where is this application? Where is this Swiggy? Actually, the backend server is located. It is maintained by some other IT company. See it is. This is maintained by some other IT company. This server is maintained by some other IT company. Some IT company. Maybe it can be a HCL or a Cognizant, or maybe it can be a Wipro. Someone is maintaining this server. And this application, how the order should be there, how pages should be shown, how to detect this entire backend application will be developed by some IT company. Okay, and the GPS locations, the banking kind of stuff, or maybe service related, maintenance related, will be maintained by some other company. Okay. So this is what I'm trying to say, guys. IT is not a small part. It is a different parts of IT is there. It can be a software development. So a lot of people think IT services means only software development. Now, guys, it is a lot of things. It is related to the network related, or maybe it is related to the firewall security related. Because see, this server is connected to public. But public is very dangerous, right? Once you are connected to public, so anybody can attack you. So what we use a security, firewalls, checkpoint servers, IPS, IDS kind of stuff. That has to be maintained by some person and in a organization, same organization or different organization. Okay, so like that it is. I'm telling very small story only. There is a lot of stiff things are there. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say, guys. IT is not a one simple part of organization. It's not only a software development. It is a part of so many things are there. Okay, data analysis is there. For example, data analysis never develop anything. This analysis the data. He will take the data. He will extract the different data. For example, same Swiggy. I'm giving one example. Okay, so they will send this customers and orders data to a database system. Means daily how many orders we are happening. Okay, what are the hotels? Okay, how many things are there? So it will send to a system, database system, which is created and maintained by other IT part of the same organization or different organization. This analysis will do what type of customers, what kind of food they are ordering, from which type of hotels they are ordering. Okay, so it will be having complete list. I'll give it to this analysis team, analyze and get the proper prediction data. So, for example, it is a Sunday, how many people are added? On Monday, how many people are added? So different type of analysis we are getting. Okay, so based on that, better suggestions we can give it to the hotel so they can maintain. Depends upon number of orders they are getting, depends upon a type of people that are doing, day, week, month ending, month starting. Okay, so they will manage. So better quality food, better delivery ready food they are preparing. So like different analysis we are getting. So this is also a part of IT organization. Okay, so different roles in the IT organization, guys. Different roles in the IT organization. For example, person who is looking after this cyber security administration, network security administration is there. Person is providing internet services like a network administrators, network engineers. Okay, who is managing this server administrator, server engineers, data center management, data center architects. There are managing this one. Application developers, application testers, application deployment people also there. Okay, so different roles in the IT organizations. Okay, so these are all from scratch to higher level. All type of roles, all type of services are connected in the IT. So that's a IT is a very vast organization. Okay, so IT services utilized by both IT and non-IT organizations also. I given only one example. Okay, so this is also one question answer, because I told why you choose IT field if you are from mechanical background, civil background. So why you choose IT field? Because IT is a vast organization. Every organization need a IT services, different type of services that are providing. So a lot of job opportunities, lot of growth in the IT organizations. That is the main point in IT. Okay. So I hope you got little point. Guys, understand little, at least some point.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So here I want to draw something, because I am telling very small story only, and really now I will draw something. Actually, there is lot of stories there, but we are getting very less time. Okay, guys, this is a service provider. Think like this. This is the service provider. Actually, I have a direct picture is there. Okay. I created that picture in that one. And here in this one, we don't have a coloring part, only fill colors only there. Okay. So this is a company, IT organization, provide a IT services. To whom it is providing? To the customer. Whom it is providing services? A customer, right? Or a client, or a user, any name you can put it. Any name you can put it. So I put a general name called a customer. Okay. So what it will be doing? It is providing a service to the customers. Providing certain service. My organization providing SAP contents, SAP basis related. So there is some other organization required a SAP related services. So we are providing that service, the other organization taking that service. Okay. So for example, in Savant is developing some web applications. Some other company required a web application, certain kind of a web application. For example, they want to start a e-commerce website like Amazon, Flipkart, or a Zomato, or a Swiggy kind of application. They want it. So we are providing. So what we will do? So what you want, what kind of application, what is the requirement in that one, what is the data in that one. So we'll take it, we develop it, we deploy it. Okay. This is also a service, right? So that is what I'm trying to say. IT service provider provide a service to the customer based on what is their service, what is the customer requirement. Based on that we are providing. Here in the meaning of customer, guys, customer means, in my meaning, it is an organization. Customer is also an organization. Customer is an organization, or it can be an individual person. Customer is an individual person or an organization. Normally, organization wise, we call it as a client. Individual person, we call it as a customer or a user. Okay. So this is, we are providing a service to the customer. You understand point, guys? Here, service provider provide a service to the customer.
Yes, sir.
Next one is, now the customer got a certain problem. Customer got a certain problem. Maybe application is not working properly. Maybe he given some data, it is not accepting. Okay. You open an application, normally when you open fill in the blank kind of applications, and you are trying to log in, his customer is unable to log in. So customer got to face certain issues, and maybe he need a certain information, and maybe he need a certain change of services, or maybe he need a certain information. So what they will do it? So they will try to approach to the service provider organization, and to where it will approach? To the service desk. To where it will approach? So this customer try to approach the service provider. I'm getting this issue. I need to change my service. Okay, I want to upgrade my services, or maybe I need an information about the services. They will approach the service desk. The service desk in the service providers in the service desk department. Service desk will understand what is the customer requirement. Customer requirement. Okay. Is any issue is there, or is it any changes required, or maybe he's asking about information. First, understand what is the customer requirement, customer issues. Okay, and create a ticket. So what he will do, he will simply create a single ticket. Okay, this is a ticket. Okay, so ticket. It's a big name. Okay, now it is good. So you will create a ticket. What is service desk will do? Immediately they will create a ticket. Okay. What service they do? They will create a ticket. So based on the customer, who is the customer, from where is the customer, means what organization is there belongs to that customer, who is the person, which organization, what kind of service we are providing, what is kind of issue is getting, or what kind of requirement is the customer required. Okay, what is his requirement, what is his issue, what is the information he needed. So we will put it in a ticket, and we decide a ticket as per the his priorities. Is it urgently have to take care of that issue, or maybe have to take time, like maybe you have to take 1 day issue or 2 days, like that. So like that we can do it. Okay. So what this service desk will do, they will provide initial support. Okay, initial support. What is their information? Based on here, the person will give initial support to the customer, and of course they will create a ticket. Either the service desk person directly handle the ticket, I'll forward the particular team. Okay, so different teams are there. Okay, these team members are expert in that particular type of issues, or maybe a particular type of requirement fulfilling. Okay, physically can able to go into the customer locations. These people are also there. Okay, so different type of teams are there. Networking team, hardware related, desktop support related, networking support related, server related people are there, mail server related people are there, security people team are there, application developers are there, testers are there, deployments are there. Okay, so server management people are there. So different teams are there. I'm giving a plain idea, guys, not a specific idea, because when I go with a specific, then you will stick into that specific part only. Okay, just I'm giving a plain idea. Means service desk is a person, service desk analyst is a person. So whenever he reaches, when he got a call or a information from the customer, is try to get correct information from the customer and try to help the customer requirements, issues, understand it. They will put all the things into the ticket. Ticket is a simple a document. Okay, it contains information about a customer, customer related issues, and their priorities, urgencies, and related issues also linked into the ticket. This ticket is forward to the, either they will handle based on their roles, or maybe related person is there. So related teams are there, they will forward to the team. What the team will do, the team is trying to resolve an issue. Team is try to resolve an issues. Once it is resolved, like either they will approach the customers, or they'll resolve from their end, or maybe they'll go to the customer, they'll resolve there. So once issue is resolved, okay, ticket will be closed. Once issue is resolved, the ticket will be closed. Okay, so that is the point here. It is a very big picture. Okay, service desk is not a small role. It is a very important in an organization, and different levels of in the service desk. And the service desk terminologies are very important in the IT organization. For example, guys, my sister is doing work is in a data analysis related only. So earlier it is data reporting related. Now it is analysis and reporting related. Okay, so same path only with a different type of tools. And when I have seen her laptop, I've seen these tickets only. So ticket means, so the person is the like ticket, like it is there is already infrastructure is developed. So our Oracle infrastructure is already developed, and there is an applications are running. So customer required certain information. So big company, there is different companies, including universities also require this kind of information. So they will get it and give it. It's not a small role also, they are getting high paid salaries, but they are getting information requirement from the customer. So they will give the information to the customer or resolving the customer required issues. Okay. So some people think like, yeah, it is a ticketing, it is very small role, or maybe it is a service desk, it is very low level job. Guys, it is entry level to the IT. It is entry level job to the IT. So you have to find out what is the next step. Depends upon your interest, depends upon your technology improvement, depends upon what are the chances you are getting in your organization once you are start working, what are the different domains you are working. Based on that, you will understand what is the best domain to go for it. Okay. That part I will tell, but I want to finish this line. Okay. IT service provider provide IT provide service to customers or clients, users. What are the name you put it? IT service provider provide a service to the customers or clients. Okay. Next one is when a client require information, when a customer required information, require an information, or you require information, or you want to change of service, change, or want to report issue, they try to reach service desk. They try to reach service desk. Why to reach service desk? Why not directly go to server engineer or network engineer, or maybe a application developer, or maybe application tester, or a web server manager, or maybe mail server candidate? Why cannot able to reach directly to the teams? Why need a service desk? Because customer don't know where is these people are located, who is working in this particular location, right? On this particular technology. And sometimes customer also don't know exactly what kind of tech related issue it is. I'm not loading a web page, or maybe my web application is not working, but exactly it is the which team it is actually handling. It is a database related, or maybe a server related, or maybe internet related. Okay, so or a protocol related, port number related. Also, you don't know exactly what is where exactly issue is there, and customer is don't know who is the person is handling the situations. So what we will do? What we will do? We'll approach the service desk person. Service desk person understand what is your requirement, or what is your issue. Okay, so then he will create a ticket and he'll forward the tickets to the particular team or a particular person in the team. So then he will take up and he will handle. For example, I am the server engineer. There is some issues occur. The customer is reported to the to the service desk. So he cannot give it to me directly. The customer cannot give it to me directly because I may busy. I'm also handling some situation, right? I'm also busy. I have a team, there is a 10 members, but customer don't know, he tried to contact me because already once we met, then he tried to contact me, but I'm busy. And maybe service desk person also don't know which person is available directly. Okay, what he will do, he will forward to the team, that information goes to everyone. Information is displayed to everyone. So who is available next, he will going to handle that. So that is important, right? Not like only this person should handle. It is not like that. There is a team, the team having a people who are available next. So they will going to handle. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. Okay. So it is the service desk. Service desk. Understand user or a customer requirements, issue, understand customer understand customer requirements or an issues, requirement or an issue, or anyone and all, right? Understand issue, gives initial support, and will create a ticket and forward ticket to the team or related IT employees. That is also there. Okay, don't get confused. IT employees. Okay, so what happened? IT employees so either it is handled by service desk, right? So service desk, analyst, or a technical team solves customer or a user issue and close the ticket and close the ticket. Close the ticket. So this is completed, right? So this is what I'm trying to say, guys. So once again, customer or a user or a client, okay, is need a certain information or a certain requirements or a certain changes, or maybe report, we want to report an issues, they will try to reach the service desk. What is service desk? Will try to understand what is customer requirements or an issues, give initial support and create a ticket and forward ticket to the teams or a certain IT employees. There are also service desk team only. It's the only levels are different. It may be given little confusion, guys. Service desk analyst, either it is level 0, level 1, level 2, like that. Okay, all are service desk employees only. Even a server engineer is also a service desk employee. Cloud supporting person is also a service desk employee. Okay, so all are service desk related. But in generally we're talking, Service desk means it is in a level 0, level 1 type only. Means people who provide a initial supporting people. Help desk, service desk, these are all initial support related people. Okay. Whenever they got information, they'll try to either he will resolve, or maybe a particular technical team will be resolve the customer issues. Once it is issue resolved, ticket will be closed. This is what I'm trying to say. Okay. Got any point from here? This is, I have taken this information from the website called bmc.com, which is actually providing IT services related thing. Okay. So 1 second. In this one, there is a column. So that is. Okay. And I am also sharing a link, guys. This is the link. So go through that link. You can find what is ticket, what is incident, what is problem. Explanation is from their site only. Yeah, this is good. Okay, here it is. What is a ticket? Okay. All service desk events start with a ticket. All service desk events start with a ticket. Means a customer, or maybe there is a different ways to get a ticket at a service desk, guys. So what are the hit? What are the things? It hits the service desk. Exactly. See, what are the things? It hits the service desk. It can be a complaint. It can be a change requirement. It can be an alert from the monitoring system. Maybe it is infrastructure related things. So whatever it comes to the service desk, it become a ticket first of all. First, we will create a ticket. A ticket is a historical document that details a service event such as a incident, problem, or a service request. Okay, I can put it in a paragraph type, but just line by line, better to read it. Okay, it is a document. Historical document means it contains the information, not only now, also it is things happened already. That tickets information is also available. Okay, so what are the things it is there? It can be an incident or a problem or service request related. Incidents and problems are belongs to issues, and service request is belongs to changes, like I forget my password. I'm not. I need a email ID. I need a new ID card, or maybe I need a printer access. I need a VPN access. That is a service request. Okay, it is request, not a issues. Just we are asking certain request. Okay, these are issues, problems. Okay, so I will explain those things, but not exactly now. But once we complete a small part is there, then we'll go to the next part is these things only. We'll see. The ticket governs and controls how a service event is processed. Means how to follow up these issues, how to follow up these things happen, right? Either it is can be a change related, or it can be a incident related, or maybe it is a problem related. How to follow up this one, how to do this work. So that is tickets also will tell that was step by step. There are used to route events between different resources for resolutions. Okay, so meaning is The meaning is, for example, I got that ticket. It may require someone's approval, like HR approval is required, or maybe certain other administrator approval is required. Okay, so it is not solely be maybe not happen by one single person. It may be happened by different teams also involved. So that is what it is. That is saying there are used to route events between different resources for resolutions. They record all relevant information about a request. What are the customer requirement? So they will put everything in this one only. User note, including what is the user requirement, customer issue. Technicians, their note. So what is the issue exactly? What are the things we have to do it, and how to do it, how to make it resolve this issue. That is also will be there in this ticket only, and connecting to other tickets also there. And is it resolved or not resolved? Other critical processing information. So these are things in the ticket. I will put this ticket in this separate page. The tickets can document a single incident or a service. They can also group together and control the document several incidents as a single problem. Okay, so one ticket is maybe a representation of a incident or a service request. Incident means issue. Service request means a certain request, like I want a VPN access, I want a password changes, okay, I want a upgrade my RAM capacity, like a change request. Okay, these are all comes under service request, guys. Remember, one ticket maybe it is represent a incident or a service request, and also it can be a combination of multiple tickets and make it as a single problem. Okay, it represents a problem instead of a single incident. The combination of multiple tickets they will control and they put it as a single problem. The ticket is a backbone of your service desk. What are the things come to your service desk? Ticket will be created. Please use it for every single service item that hits a service desk. This is what I'm trying to say. Already told. Okay, guys. What are the things it come to the service desk? They will create a ticket. So why these underlines are there without underlines? These are not underlines. It's actually they should get a good thing. Here it is. This is the VMC organization. They're telling about what is ticket, what is incident, what is problem, what is service request. This is a very good thing, guys. Okay, if possible, better to check once. Not possible, better after class. Okay, so after the class, so try to go through this one. Second one is, this is a demo session I have taken earlier. Okay, then I am sharing this link here also. Better, okay, after the class, maybe today or tomorrow, please go through this. Okay, this is a BMC LX ITSM, a service desk or a help desk software it is. It is having a demo version, so directly online you can go for it. Okay, in this one also I'm showing how to log in. Okay, so you can see there is a direct links how to go to it. Okay, this entirely, so starting some 1-2 minutes, it is normal discussion, but from here, and I showed a step by step how to log into the demo session. Okay, and then once you log into demo session, how to see the existing tickets and how to create a ticket. What are the different options in the ticket also I told. Actually, I given 2 times this session, but second time the voice is not clear. This is voice is clear, so you can see that option. Important is first watch the video. Second, go to this demo session. You can practice, guys. You don't require any official mail ID or a official phone numbers. Nothing is required. All you can give some dupe names only. Only email ID is don't give Gmail, Yahoo mail kind of stuff. You can give @xyz.com, no problem. Okay. Latif.com, some jaffa.com, no problem. Okay, so you can log into demo, but it is one time watch, one time type only. Means because you are not giving correct information, so you won't able to access second time because passwords kind of stuff won't be there. Okay, it is auto login kind of stuff in a demo session, but you will get how to check the existing ticket, what are the tickets, the dashboards, and you can create your own ticket kind of stuff, guys. You don't require special training for that one, so you can practice easily. So this is what I'm trying to say. Okay, compulsory watch everybody. This is the part video. Okay, and very important, guys. Do not share my videos, our class videos to anyone except our batch people. Your batch 15, you can share to batch 15 people, no problem, but do not share to outsiders. Okay. And of course, other batch people knows, so you don't need to tell them, but they know it. Okay. My previous batch people already subscribed, then so no problem. Anyway, they will get it any updates. Okay. So these are the things, guys. This link compulsory go and read about this link. Okay. Open the link. Simple. It is also from BMC. Okay. It is telling about what is ticket. Okay, so I have taken information from there only. You can take a PDF, printed document is also available about a ticket, what is incident, okay, things related to the incident, problem, and service request also there. And there's a tips for putting all it together: ticket, incident, problem, and service request. You want a small information, I'm going to add it for you too. For future purpose, not today's purpose. Guys, this is about a ticket. Don't worry, things are not yet completed. Okay, up to now, okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
So, two more things, then I will give you a break. Who is the customer and what is service desk? I didn't tell you till now. I told about service desk, but I didn't tell about what is service desk. Okay, and how to reach a service desk. 3 points are there. And I'm going to the customer, guys. When you hear a customer, so definitely people are getting an idea that is we have to handle the customer situation. This is again customer care or a technical support. Of course, it is a kind of technical support, but know your customer, guys. Know your customer. If you know your customer, then the way of things will be changeable, changes automatically. So what is the customer? Okay. So who is this customer kind of stuff? Customer is a person who buys a goods or a service from a shop or a business. It's a general Google meaning. It's a general Google meaning. For me, I have a three type of customers. In generally, two type of customers. One is internal customer. Another one is external customers. This is separate customer. This is also external customer, but I separate them as a public customers. Who is this internal customers? Who is this internal customers? If I draw, it will take time. From internal customer, I am going to start, guys. Actually, there is a three pictures I have to draw, but I am not going to do that one. So for three pictures, you can go to so this is my organization, some company, it is also a service provider, some company, some XYZ company it is. For example, my name I will put it, so it is a Latif Tech Solutions. We should not use officially our company names generally because we are online recording because of that. Okay, so something it is a Latif Tech Solutions. I have a company. It is a certain service provider. Some organization running what it is providing, that is we can see later. I went to office, guys. In general, it is happened to me in our office. Okay, I came to office and my laptop need a internet. I'm here, so this is a user came to office. Okay, so there is a lot of desktops or laptops are there. So he is a person who is working in the organization. He want a internet connectivity. So Wi-Fi connectivity is required. How to get it? So reach the service desk. Reach the service desk, right? What he's doing? You need a internet connectivity service request. So then he requested the service desk in a different ways are there. So what service desk will do? What is the user is required? What is he requirement is? Then they will put it in a ticket. They'll put it in a ticket. Either they will resolve my issue or maybe they will forward this issue to a specific teams who is handling this ticket internet kind of stuff, means network connectivity kind of stuff. So they'll forward this to the specific team. Okay guys, remember service desk handles the situations. Just for separation purpose, separate people, I put a teams. Okay, so teams will provide like a service desk, will try to resolve the user requirements. Once it is fulfilled, so it will the ticket will be closed. Okay, by service desk. Who is this user, guys? This person is my internal customer. Person is nothing but my internal customer. Okay, who is internal customer? The user or a client or a customer which belongs to same organization as a service desk. As a service desk, there are belongs to same organization. Okay, that is internal customer. Then who is this external customer? Okay, I have some other organization. From some organization, I have put some other organization. For example, some ABC solutions. Really, ABC solution is there. Okay, So ABC, some solution is there. Okay, some other company, some other organization, they need a certain services. Like for example, we are develop a website, or maybe we are managing their database server. We are managing their infrastructure. Something we are providing a service to this organization. Okay, something like it can be a service related, application related, like that. We are providing a service, and we are telling to this candidate, we'll provide these services and we'll take care of any issues will occur. So immediately we'll resolve. So we'll agree to give a SLA, service level agreement, to the customer. These are the services, you will get it. If issue is occur, these are the things you will get it, like 100%, you will get this uptime, 0% downtime. You will see na 24/7 support. So we are again giving this is a thing. We are providing these services. If you need any support, we are also providing a 24/7 support. Any issue is occur within the 15 to 30 minutes, issue will be resolved. This kind of stuff we are agreeing. So that is called a SLA to an organization. Okay, he is also a customer, but it is a separate organization. We are providing a service, these using our services and our support. Message loading slower. Okay. Now he got some issue. What he will do? A process services. Of course, for that service desk is separate. Major role of you guys. This is your role. Means you don't handle internal customer. You don't handle outside in user kind of. You will handle the client company as a customer kind of. Your company, your other organization, we are providing a service. You are maintaining their servers. So there are you are maintaining in your infrastructure, you are maintaining their servers, and there if they got certain issue to access the servers or application or remote access kind of stuff, they'll contact a service desk. Yes, service level agreement, SLA, service level agreement. Okay, now we provide a service based on the service. I will put a top because we are providing a service. This arrow represent we are providing a service, and we are providing a service, and we are telling these are the service. This is the service you are getting, and this is the support you are getting. So we are telling to the customer. So that we call it as a SLA, service level agreement. So you have to compulsory provide a customer service based on SLA. So any issues occur, so they will try to contact service desk. What service desk will do? Will create a ticket. Will create a ticket immediately, right? What service desk will do? They will create a ticket. The ticket will be forwarded to the teams. Team is trying to resolve the issues. Okay. Once issue is resolved, it will be closed. Once issue is resolved, it will be closed. Okay. Once issue is resolved, why it is always this problem. Required. Okay, so this is some organization taking service from our organization, utilizing our services. If they need any information, any requirements, okay, any issues, they will try to contact our service desk. service desk person will understand customer requirements. They'll create a ticket and forward the ticket to the team. Then they will approach the service desk. They will approach the customer. So based on what their requirements or issues, they'll try to resolve an issue. Once issue is resolved, ticket will close the ticket. So this is, I'm keep repeating the life cycle, guys, how it will happen in organization. These are the external customer. Okay, so what we are calling it is client. We are calling them as a clients in generally. There are external customers. We are calling this person as a client or customer. Okay, sorry. SD means service desk, T means ticket. Okay, space is not there, no? That's the problem. Okay, if I create a 3-4 pictures, then it is quite easy. Guys, here is some user. Actually, this is we should not belong to this one. So, but still, okay. Here's some user, some random person. User, some person. Okay, I cannot draw the picture here. Okay, so is a individual user. It's not as an organization. This is a individual user, some separate user. For example, you are a Amazon. Your organization is Amazon organization, and customer is approaching. So customer is getting a service directly from your service provider. Okay, separate department. Okay, so we should not combine all these things, guys. It's actually, this is not at all good point. Okay, this is I will remove. Okay, this is not at all good point. It will confuse you as I know. Okay, yeah, we have space, but I will explain from here. So just understanding only, right? This is internal customer. So both customer and a service desk person belongs to same organization. Okay, I'm a customer or a user and I want a Wi-Fi connectivity, internet connectivity, mail ID changes or login changes requirement is there. I will approach my service desk. They will try to resolve my issues. Okay. Next one is external customer. For example, Microsoft is an organization providing Office 365 service. Savantis is an organization using Office 365 services. Means we are customers, but as an organization, we are utilizing their services. Here it is a external type. Guys, for example, you are using a internet, Geo internet, ACT internet, Airtel internet, or maybe you're a some cloud user or Gmail account user, YouTube user. Okay, so you're a public customer. You're an individual person. There is a individual person is not an organization wise. Is an individual person utilizing service for him or his household purpose or office purpose. It's an individual person. He got an issue. He will try to reach the service desk of a service provider. So service provider try to resolve the issues. So he will create a ticket. He'll forward the ticket, and the ticket will be resolved by the team, and once it is resolved, it will be closed and updated. Right? This is what I'm trying to say. That's why we should not mix up. Right? Of course, some organization provide all type of services. Means they can handle internal and external kind of stuff. Okay. but better not to mix up this external public customer to the organization. Okay. I said no, last to another two more points, guys. What is this service desk exactly? So in here, what I told, the in what are this part of session, guys? The important things are what is service desk? First of all, that is the first question anyway. What is a service desk? That is the first question. Okay, it is not enough space. Okay, no problem. Guys, understand internal customer, external customer kind of stuff. Okay. What is service desk? Single point of contact. So when you hear the service desk name, first of all, get a mind that is single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both user and IT employees. Both user and IT employees. Service desk is intended to provide a single point of contact. As I said, the customer don't know to whom he has to reach to resolve his issues or for his inquiries to get a change of his services or a service request. He don't know to whom he has to reach. What he will do, he will reach the service desk, okay, and give the information at a service desk or given a complaint at a service desk. The service desk will understand what is the customer issues or customer requirements and give the initial support to the customers and provide information to the customers and escalate issues by and managing tickets, creating a ticket, raising the ticket and monitoring the ticket statuses, closures, services also will handle by your service desk only. Okay, by service desk only. The next one is, guys, service desk satisfy both customer needs, IT service provider objectives. What is IT service provider objective? Provide a service to the customers and make sure his customer is getting a service. First of all is provide a service to the customer, make sure customer is getting a service, and you have to make sure that the streamless means without any interruption, customer should get a service. Without any interruption, customer good service. If customer is required any information or a service request or want to report an issues, you have to support the customers. You have to support the customers, understand customer related issues and resolve the customer issues immediately. And the service desk also handles different type of things like a alerts, incidents, alerts, events, alerts, incidents, problem, change of services, service requirements, monitoring infrastructures, managing SLA, OLA, UC, mainly SLA part. So service level agreement. Okay, monitoring your infrastructures, customer services, and all kind of stuff. Monitoring, just the word is monitoring, but there are a lot of things in the monitoring. Okay, guys, what is service desk? This is the point. Of course, who is a service desk analyst? That kind of questions also there. And what is SLA, OLA, UC? That explanation is there. So I will tell. So do not worry. Okay. So how to reach service desk? How to reach service desk? Either you can go to directly, sometimes if I need, I will go to service desk directly, ask, I want this kind of information. Service desk, I can reach directly. Or you can call to the service desk guy. So I'm getting this kind of issues. Please tell me how to resolve the issues, or maybe give support from here your end. Or you can send to the mail. Sometimes you got an issues. You can generally we go with the mail communication. Service desk related mails are there. We'll send a service desk mails from my internal mail communication. Through the mail, we can approach the service desk. We'll tell what is happened, what is your requirements. Then you will receive the related information. Apps, different kind of applications, websites. Okay, self-help portals also available. So once you log in to their self-help portal, so you can also give direct complaint, like a categorizing, like you are getting a network related issues, or you are getting the server related issues, or what is their screenshots. Okay, so like that we can give a self-help portals also available, application websites. Through that one also you can approach to the service desk. We can tell what is our requirements or in issues. Different service desk softwares are used to handle both service desk side and as well as a customer side, and the teams, what are the people are working at service desk, different categories. So these service desk softwares or help desk software are very useful to understand the requirements. Okay, to understand and means exactly say like this. What are the issues are occur? So far, what are the issues are occur? Okay, what is an issue? Like you can easily do it, instead of writing somewhere or maybe telling in over the phone or through the mobile phone, through the messaging system, the mail system. This kind of stuff is very easy. Like this is BMC, Elix, ITSM. So what is the ticket? What is the content of the ticket? Who is handling? Are you handling? Who is send a request? What is the status of the ticket? So everything we can get it from simple a dashboard and like this. Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. This is a use of softwares, and of course services person also get events and alerts from different monitoring tools. So we are having, there is a monitoring tools, monitoring infrastructures, applications. Okay. So what happened? Any issues occur automatically. This monitoring tool will tell the service desk some issues occur. Here it is an issue, and this is the issue information directly from the monitoring tool using events and alerts. This is what I'm trying to say. Okay, guys, understand what is service desk and what service desk do. These are important first. Okay, these things I added extra. Okay, what service desk will do, what is ticket, what is service desk. Okay, what is the ticket is important, what is ticket, what is service desk, life cycle of service desk, and that's it. Okay, those are important. The next one I am directly going to what is event, alert, incident, workaround. Okay, this kind of explanation, basic explanation only I will give for because of it is your second day of class. I will tell about these definitions. Tomorrow, again, I will tell about what is service desk analysis, what are the service desk labels, okay, few other kind of stuff and explain. 2 days I will take this class, okay. Morning, the service desk people are not available, so I will forward one demo also. So don't worry. And this is up to now. Take a break. Bye. No one.